लौट के आऊँगा यहाँ पे. I don't know when I will come back because of the war and everything.
Hello guys, my name is Inga and today we are preparing parathas.
We are using this thing as a belan. It is. तो देख लो.
So hello guys, my name is Inga. I'm from Yakutia, as you know. This is Ravi's channel, and today we are preparing parathas. Parathas.
Aloo, potatoes.
Parathas with mashed potatoes in it.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So आज हम लोग बना रहे हैं आलू का पराठा और आज मैं हूँ इंगा के घर पे. तो ये like this is the setup. You can see the fillings, mashed potatoes with onions and stuff. Atta, like muka we say in
and in Yakutsk we say burduk.
Burduk.
Yes.
Okay. And this is the first paratha I made. So
if there is mashed potato in it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Stuffing. Okay. So guys, यही है. तो मैं continue करता हूँ. I will just show one. So we are using this thing as a belan we call it.
Yeah, instead of roller or something.
No, it's recording.
Okay.
You can touch the screen and see. So हमारे पास बेलन नहीं था तो हम लोग यही use कर रहे हैं like this. I mean, so it's working fine. So yeah, तो मिलते हैं dinner के बाद. Okay, see you.
Then
Yes.
Russian.
Yeah. So guys, यहाँ पे like इंडिया में भी ऐसा करते हैं. So इनके पास भी like जो प्लास्टिक पिंस होता है उसके लिए स्पेशल कैबिनेट है. So देख लो. So good recycling. Okay guys, so like मैंने पराठे बना लिए हैं आलू का पराठा. So I have prepared आलू का पराठा. So we will see Inga's reaction first time.
Yes.
So how?
It will be my first reaction. So I'm trying parathas with mashed potatoes in it.
Yeah. So here it is. So देख लो. Honest opinion. जैसा भी whatever you think, honest opinion.
You should put more salt.
Okay.
But it's delicious.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Maktab.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm glad. Yeah, salt थोड़ा कम हो गया. No problem. But okay. And this is Inga's personal salad, right?
Yes.
So interesting ये है कि can you tell us what?
I put here cucumber, tomatoes, onion, apple, and I don't know the name of this. Pepper. And what is it? How do you call it? Sidri.
Sidri. Okay. And olive oil. Salt.
Olive oil.
Salt and olive oil. So हमारे लिए weird होगा like apple, but it's like sour, sweet and sour taste. So it's good. Okay. So it's interesting, guys. So that's our dinner. मतलब यही dinner है. And I'm glad Inga liked it. So,
Yeah.
Okay. And she has been so kind to me in this hard times. Like. So
This is our third dinner together.
Yeah. So third time dinner है. और उनको like I asked her like उनको Indian bread पसंद है या नहीं. तो she told me I asked her like she likes Indian bread or not, or which one she would prefer, Indian bread or rice.
Indian bread.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
That's a compliment. मतलब हमारे लिए compliment है कि उनको Indian bread इतने पसंद आया. तो मैं 3 time खिला चुका हूँ. So cool. Okay, so we'll have our dinner और मिलता हूँ बाद में. Bye. Okay. And you say like and
put your thumbs up and subscribe.
Okay, cool. So see you guys. Bye. here in an African restaurant.
But the food is mixed.
Okay.
So also we have Russian food.